HP Continuous Ink Supply System Technical Support. If you are having difficulties in finding answers about the issues with your CISS printer, HP Remote Support Assistance can help. HP Remote Support Assistance is available online, so you can get help in the comfort of your home without the need to travel. Most importantly, HP Remote Support Assistance saves you the worry of bringing your CISS printer to a repair center. We will show you how to get the support you need as easy as 1, 2, 3. Connect with us via Viber and scan the QR code. Click Get Started and fill out the required information. Be sure to have all your issues ready for the technical support agent when you are connected. You'll find chat support in English and your local language. It's our pleasure to work with you in resolving your product-related issues. Thank you for using HP QR code support. We are always here to help.